Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought something and that is the Nintendo Switch and we're going to be unboxing it in this video. A little backstory, I was actually in town and my Amazon Prime got cancelled, so I thought, yeah, let's go to Argos even though I haven't been there in 10 years. Went to Argos, flicked through the computers because there's no kind of catalogues anymore, and I saw the Switch for £208. I thought, that's alright actually, same as Amazon. I checked. Then after a little while, because £280 isn't a small purchase, went over to the store, had to call over a guy because they had some new system for paying. So I brought him over and he said, yeah, just click checkout right there and password. And let's get, oh, you bought Switch? Yeah, I've got one as well. I've got Mario on it. It's really good. I said to him, oh yeah, I've heard it's actually really good. And after we had that little conversation, walked to the counter to pay for it. And then woman said, oh yeah, do you know you can get like a free game with the actual console? No, I did not know that. Tell me more. But we're all out of stock of all of the 4 games. So I paid my 280 quid, took the Switch, went all the way home, and here I am. And here is the Nintendo Switch. Get that off the table, align that. Look at that. If we take a look around the console, got some attention things, some of the language. It's all the stuff we get in the Switch, all the Joy-Cons and whatever. Get someone slipping it off. Joy-Cons. Got the dock there. Yeah, that's the front. Just boring stuff. But the main thing is going inside. Alright, let's unbox this. What the hell? Ah, right. Put it this way, I guess. Oh, look at that. Take this off. Got this. Some other boxes. Oh. What the hell is that? It's like, oh, it looks on wrist strap. Wrist strap. What's this? I have no clue. Say, oh, it's like a controller thing. You put your Switch Joy-Cons on there. Instructions. You got, there's a HDMI cable, plug it in the TV. The dock. It's got a power cable for the dock. And the last thing, it looks like it. Doing this one-handed, so it's a bit. Take that out. So what this is? I think this is the dock. Yeah, this is the dock. So that's the dock. Put the Switch in there. Now to take out the actual Switch. God. There you go. Got the Switch out of there. Take the Joy-Cons out. I chose the red, all kind of like pinky colour, and the blue. You can get it in grey. Yeah, there's nothing in that. Unbox these. I'll take out the plastic. Got one Joy-Con. And another one. Do this with one hand. Joy-Con and an actual very small tablet. Got it's a bit tight in there. And that's just switch that upside down. Yeah, it is. It's actually, if I turn this around, yeah, it's got a flicky thing on it. Put it on the table. Put it up like that and play it like the guy in the advert. It's alright. The Joy-Cons on like this. Not sure if you can see that. One, oh, that slips on really easily, just saying. And that's a Switch. It's actually like a really big tablet. I don't know how to describe it. So now I'm just going to turn it on. Probably got like 2% battery. Not sure if it went on. Oh, it's on. Now I'm just going to click English. Don't know how you do this. I think it's B. No. Everything's A. Yeah, Europe. Please read them. Next, I don't care. Probably privacy and all that. Just one moment, I'll do this. Just did the Wi-Fi pass and all that, so I had to get that. Yes, London. Connect TV. Yeah, I'll do that later. Detached Joy-Con controllers. Oh god. It's telling me to do 2 hands, but I'll do it with one. So, okay, you can go up and down. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And what was that? Press A on the right one. Okay. Press A. Use controllers when attached. Yeah, all the ways I can use it. Seen that. Sector icon nickname. Okay, yeah. Right, I want to be... Oh, this is hard. Nah, I think I'm going to go for... Yeah, let's go for Zelda. I mean Link. Nickname. Let me have a good think about this. One moment. Right, just name my account. Click OK. Decent touchscreen, actually. I'll just do it later. Just want to get started. No, I don't. Just want to get out of here. Oh my god, no. No parent control. I'm an adult. Setup complete. Press home on this Joy-Con, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's loading. Play game, and then... No, I haven't got any game. Oh, this must be the home screen. Okay. So, I was originally supposed to get a game. Didn't have any stock. So, I think that's the eStore. Yeah, Nintendo eStore. Okay, click that. Yeah, I want to be this. Yeah. Oh, you have to create an account to buy stuff. Okay, one moment. Just linked my email with the Switch, and it was loads of loopholes, bit confusing. I don't understand why you could just do it all through the Switch. I had to use my phone, and had to use a laptop just to connect all together. Don't understand why I could just do that by the Switch if it has any apps or anything like that, but whatever. I got it set up. This is the eStore, so you can buy your games digitally. And some of the games, current offers, loading a bit. Games aren't too expensive. That's pretty good. Got a good selection of games. Got the charts. Okay, yeah, these games are like... Oh god, there's a £50 game there. Yeah, these games are like roughly 20 quid. That's really good. I thought they were going to be much more expensive. It's really good. Yeah, I'm going to buy one now. Also, what I noticed with the Switch, when you put the Joy-Cons on, makes that noise. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Just that. Oh, it makes it so good. Yes. I've just downloaded this game. Oh, it's just gone into some loading mode. £50, that is a lot of money for a game. Like, just generally. But I'm going to jump straight into it. Took me about 1 hour of setup, 1 hour of downloading. Then I had dinner and all that, so I'm just going to play it now. I want to start, yeah. The screen looks pretty good. I'll just check the controls out. Let's just do this one. Actually 50. Yeah, I just want to start the game. Is it really important? Yeah, just go this. Yep, play the game. Let's do the first one. Yes, I just want to start. Okay. Loading. This looks good. All of this is in a handheld. That's so good. So I press A to accelerate. Oh, I do. I can. Oh, it vibrates when I accelerate. So A is accelerate, and this is just move about. How do I? Ah, that's how I turn. Okay, how do I do this then? How do I throw this? How do I throw this? Okay, it's the left. It's the left button on the actual thingy, not the trigger. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. And I'm screwed. Cash. Controls are actually really good, but I can see a few hours. Not sure about these little Joy-Cons. Probably maybe a bit bigger. I'm not really sure yet. It's my first ever play of this. I haven't seen any dips. Frame rate's just been steady. Looks good. I think I'm playing against bots. Oh no. Yeah, I think that's it. That is everything, really. If you enjoyed the video, like and comment, and subscribe before it's too late.